for Africa. He's going to be with us for 15 minutes, and his whole team is here for the next couple of days. So please do reach out to our friends at MasterCard for any of your needs with banking, financial services, new instruments, and so on and so forth. So after that, we have our solution showcases. I'm going to ask the speakers from ABS, Wingu, Mobile Technologies, and Raxio to get ready to come up and do their presentations before we go for our dinner. We heard a lunch. We heard a lot about appetite for investment, appetite for food will come afterwards. Let's finish first with our keynote speaker now. Let me invite Elfagit now to please come up on stage. Big round of applause, please, for Elfagit World Resources, Business Development Director for Ethiopia, Somalia, and Sudan at MasterCard. Floor is yours, Elfagit. Okay, slight change in the program. The Mastercard speakers will be sharing the insights in their respective panels. We've got 3 or 4 panels today and tomorrow, and Mastercard is well represented in those sessions. So we move on now to our solution showcases. Let me ask Ajay from ABS Satellite to please come up on stage. He's got a video, I believe, and then a slide presentation. Ajay, please come up. Our first solution showcase will be from ABS Satellite, followed by Wingu Mobile Technologies and Raxio. So round of applause, please, for our first solution showcase presentation, and then we move on to lunch at 12:45 after that. Come on. Will you go to the podium? Yeah.
To everyone. Good afternoon. Thanks to Extensia and MIT for giving us this opportunity. Um, Quickly introduce, my name is Ajay Jetwani. I'm Vice President Sales for ABS Global. Before I begin, I resonate totally with Win and Adrian for making us realize that there is a huge gap on alternative technologies for Africa and particularly Ethiopia. And that's, I think, where we come into picture. Uh, So I'd like to play some slides. So ABS, we are a global satellite operator with a fleet of 5 satellites, almost covering 93% of the world's population. Apart from having our own fleet of satellites, we do have our own teleports from where we can offer managed services to enterprise and operators across the continent. Um, though we are a global company, we are limited in number of size. I mean, we are a, a team of around 120 people, but that definitely is our strength, which makes us nimble and flexible. We are very innovative with the solution, as we have discussed. Like digital transformation is evolving in leap and bounds. So we are very much on the ground trying to be creative with the products and solutions which the market demands in Africa. So that's our biggest advantage. You can see we have a fleet of 5 satellites, which almost covers the global coverage. Uh, the next I will move is what we offer is today. Next slide, please. Yeah. Yeah. So today our services are focused on offering backhaul services to the mobile network operator because that comprises our major market segment. We enable them to deliver 3G or 4G services across rural areas. And we are also offering creative solutions like managed platforms and managed services to the mobile operators as well as the enterprise clients across Africa. So we have our own teleports located in various continents to serve this. Apart from it, we are into video services as well, where video operators buy our capacity to roll out video distribution. Last but not the least, we have reliable 24 by 7 technical support center in Philippines. These are some of the services, some of the vertical segments where you can see our services are being used, be it enterprise, corporates, defense, maritime, and energy and mining. And these are some of the sectors where our satellite solutions are being used. Uh, and that's another area in video, which comprises almost 40% of our revenue. It's being used in various video segments. So I guess I will not waste much of time since I have a limited slot. So that's briefly about us. These are our coverages over Africa. So we have C, KU, and K band, which covers almost the entire continent. And we are really looking forward to support Ethiopia and the entire continent with our services here. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a
Thanks,
nice day.
Ajay. Round of applause, please, for Ajay from ABS Satellite. Let's now request Wingu to please come up on stage. A speaker from Wingu.
Good afternoon. I know it's near lunchtime, so I don't want to take too much of your time. I'm sure everybody's looking forward to the lunch. Thank you, Extensia, for giving me this opportunity to have a few minutes and showcase Wingu. So Wingu it plays a pivotal role in enabling the next phase of Ethiopia's digital transformation. We've heard from various people here the importance of um, infrastructure like data centers. Wingu is a data center operator. And we've been in this market. We were the first data center to be in this market. And we've been operational for the last 2 years. So at Wingu, we're not just building data centers. We're laying the digital foundation that will drive Africa's economic growth, foster connectivity, and unlock the vast potential of cloud computing, artificial intelligence. We've heard a lot about that, and digital services. Our journey began with a vision to empower Africa's digital ecosystem through carrier neutral, sustainable, and scalable infrastructure. Today, that vision is a reality. Excuse me. With over a decade of experience, we started out in actually in 10, 12 years ago in Djibouti. Um, Wingu has established itself as a trusted partner, recognized for its flexibility, scalability, and deep understanding of the regional market dynamics. We have successfully navigated the regulatory landscape, collaborated with key stakeholders, and tailored our solutions to address and opportunities within the region. Our ability to adapt and innovate has made us a leading force in advancing digital transformation across East Africa. So Ethiopia represents a crucial market in our expansion strategy. As Africa's second most populous nation and one of its fastest growing economies, Ethiopia is poised for a digital revolution, and we want to be part of that. The demand for secure, scalable, and interconnected infrastructure has never been greater, and we're here to meet that demand by providing world-class data center solutions tailored for the needs of business, financial institutions, and government agencies. Our presence in Ethiopia is more than just infrastructure. It is about enabling businesses to operate with greater agility, efficiency, and security. By offering carrier-neutral data centers, we provide enterprises with a competitive and interconnected digital ecosystem where they can leverage the latest innovations in cloud computing, AI, and data-driven solutions without prohibitive costs or operational challenges. For Ethiopian enterprises, Wingu's facilities offer a game-changing opportunity: improved data sovereignty, reduce latency, and enhance security. Our infrastructure is designed to meet the highest international standards. We are Tier 3 certified, as I'm sure a lot of you know what that means, from the Uptime Institute. We ensure that the businesses can scale with confidence while maintaining compliance, resiliency, and efficiency. Whether you're a financial institution seeking to bolster data security, a tech startup, which we heard about before, looking to expand rapidly, or a government agency in need of secure digital solutions, Wingu is here to support your growth. And we've demonstrated that over the last few years that we've been here in Ethiopia. So beyond technology, we are committed to fostering local economic development. Our investment in Ethiopia extends to creating employment opportunities, building digital skills, and nurturing innovation. By partnering with local enterprises, supporting training programs, and investing in sustainable energy solutions, Wingu is contributing to a future where Ethiopia is not only a regional technology hub, but a global leader in digital innovation. As Ethiopia accelerates its digital transformation, we're not just keeping pace, we're anticipating the future. Our extensive experience in East Africa has shown that when businesses have access to robust digital infrastructure, they achieve exponential growth, attract investment, and strengthen their competitive edge in the global market. So I invite everybody, all stakeholders, government leaders, business executives, technology innovators to collaborate with us in shaping this future. Together, we can build an Ethiopia where digital transformation is not just an ambition, but a reality that drives prosperity, inclusion, and global competitiveness. Thank you.
Thanks so much. A round of applause, please, for a friend from Wingu. And we will hear more from Wingu speakers in the afternoon in the other sessions. Thanks again so much. Let's now have the video from Mobile Technologies. Mobile Technologies also has a solution showcase, and let's see what they have to offer.
And as you've seen, we like the space that all the developments happening in Ethiopia, especially to do with identity. And as you've seen our solutions, we are here to help you with the national verifications, ensuring that you are capturing the right data, and also helping you to capture the data seamlessly and faster. So be available today, tomorrow, and even Friday. And if you have any discussion that we can have or we can help you, we would be glad to assist you. Thank you.
Thanks, Edwin. Edwin's come down from Kenya to be with us this week. For the last session, let me invite Raxio to please come up on stage. We're going to first have a video by Raxio, and then a friend from Raxio is going to speak. So let's have the Raxio video, please. Thanks.
Hello. Sorry, mine is last. It's lunchtime. So my name is Dagul. I'm the general manager for Raxio Ethiopia. As you just have seen, Raxio Ethiopia is a data center company. We are in the business of building and operating data centers across Africa. So Raxio is a Pan-African company that delivers infrastructure solutions for the future of Africa. We are making Africa future ready. You've been discussing, and we have heard about AI, digital transformation, and the way that infrastructure has been, a key requirement for Africa's development. The first presentation you've seen how data centers have been very important. So we have made, data centers that are ready for AI with huge load capacity that can run 21 kilowatts per rack in one huge density and capacity. So we are here for a solution for infrastructure, for telecoms, healthcare, financial service industries, and across all areas, including government. So data and digitization has become, it's a talk of time, and then infrastructure should be the one that backs everything behind it. So we are backing Africa in terms of digital infrastructure. We have 7 data centers across Africa. 5 of them are operational, and Ethiopia has been operational for the last 1 year. So we have been providing co-location services, remote handles. So our offer for everyone is like you do your digital transformation, we take care of the infrastructure. So thank you very much. We have a workshop tomorrow. I will invite everyone to attend and have more discussions in the times. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Degol. I also have a fireside chat with you this afternoon. So we have more discussions coming up. So we are exactly on time, ladies and gentlemen. It's 12:45 now. Let's take a break for lunch and we'll come back here at 2 o'clock. So enjoy your lunch, carry on with your networking, and I'll see you here at 2 o'clock sharp.